Blackmagic has announced a few updates to the Blackmagic Camera app for iOS for the iPhone. Some of these features are pretty exciting. The one that I'm most excited about is stabilization when shooting in ProRes RAW. Let's take a look at some of the other updates that are part of this update. Camera control, if you're using the companion app for the Apple Watch, there are several updates that apply if you're using the Blackmagic Camera Pro Dock. In particular, atem controls. You can use the focus and zoom full screen portrait on HDMI. Once again, this is with the Pro Dock. If you're using the front camera, you can choose portrait or landscape without actually rotating your phone. That could be pretty cool. Of course, you do have the option to shoot open gate, but it's nice to have that option without having to tilt if you don't want to shoot in open gate. Let's talk about the stabilization added to Apple ProRes RAW. There are two things you need in order for this to work. Number one is going to be updating the app from the App Store to the 3.3 version. Also, your phone needs to be on the iOS 26.1 or up in order for this update to work. So let's go into ProRes RAW, and you now see that the stabilization mode is selectable and your options are there. There's a bit of a crop factor, as there will be in any of the standard modes. So let's take a look at those crop factors. When you're shooting in Apple ProRes RAW, you only have 3 camera options. You have the 24, the 100, and the selfie. It works on the 100 as well. It's pretty cool having that ability to go handheld with the 100. Be careful with how jumpy you might be on the 100. I would treat it like you're using a tripod if you're going to go handheld with it. Because it's such a long focal length, you may get some unwanted digital jitter effect if you're not smooth with that handheld footage. It is worth noting that if you're going to be shooting in ProRes RAW, you need to use external storage. This is what I'm using. I'm not a fan of putting my phone into a cage. I know people are, and that's fine, but for me, I want to take it out as a C cam. So this is the Orico external magnetic maglock drive that I'm using. I use it even for the Apple log footage because that can be, it can be a task to get that footage off and onto the computer. If you're curious about this setup, here's a video on that. If you've updated this, what are some of the features that you like about the Blackmagic Camera app? Thanks for checking out the footage. Take care of yourself.